Put the fan case properly and screw them. They have 3 parts to screw to make sure the case do not move. Use screwdriver. The function of CPU fan is to help keep your processor cool and prevent overheating. Random access memory, or we call it as RAM, must place them at their slots. They have 2 pair slots, which is white and black. We can put them till plug-in. Also, RAM used as short-term memory for computers to place data for easy access. Install the CPU fan cable beside CPU fan. Then M.2, or we can know as small form factor solid state drive, which is SSD. CD-ROM part that have 4 cable to put it on, and storage base include. Lastly, put the case after complete install all the components in. As we can see, they have some connectors too.